Welcome to Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dosa. My name is Mr. Hardish Kumar. Today we will discuss about the magnetization. Branch Electrical Engineering, subject electromagnetic field, topic magnetization. First of all, discuss magnetization. Magnetization of a substance M. M is represent of magnetization. Is its magnetic moment per unit volume similar to polarization in case of dielectric in electrical field. M vector of mu total upon V. Total magnetic field at a point is a sum. तो magnetic field B equal to B0 plus mu 0 M. All equation can be adapted by replacing mu 0 arrow km mu 0. A small magnetic effect are linear. So magnetic susceptibilities in case of greater than and less than diamagnetic and paramagnetic. So generally magnetizations in case of it represent of M. But nature of magnetic materials in case of three material: diamagnetic, paramagnetic and ferromagnetic. So ferromagnetic is best of use of the magnetic material and magnetic field. So this material magnetic field magnetic field case in which represent of the magnetizations M. So magnetization it generally use of substance at a magnetic moment per unit volume. So two electrical field B and H. B is the magnetic flux density and H is the magnetic field intensity. Diamagnetism occur in substance where magnetic moment inside atom all cancel out, the net magnetic moment of the atom is zero. The induced magnetic moment is directed opposite to the applied field. Diamagnetism is weakly dependent on T, that means temperature. Diamagnetic effect is overcome in paramagnetic material. Those atoms have uncompensated magnetic moments. These movements align with the applied field to enhance the latter. So temperature T want to destroy alignment, hence a strong 1 by T dependent. So magnetizations M. M equal to C dot B upon T. B is the magnetic flux densities and T is the temperatures. Magnetic effects are a completely quantum mechanical phenomena. Although some classical physical argument can be made. So this is generally use of the diamagnetism in case of magnetic field. So these field ally applied field in the moment. So alignments with the enhance of the volume, in which case induced magnetic moment is directly opposite to the applied field. So In case of diamagnetism, is generally weakly dependent on the temperature T, right? This is the magnetization. Magnetization M, magnetic moment per unit volume. V, unit ampere per meter. So this is the M equal to M upon small m upon V. Small m is generally used of the moment and V is the per unit volume. M measure the material response to the applied field H. Of course, we know from our experience with permanent magnet that M can exist even if H is the electrical field intensity is removes. So M is the magnetization induced by the applied external field H. In case mu is generally magnetic moment per unit mass. So magnetic induction या magnetic flux density, magnetic flux per unit area unit is generally used of the Tesla. B is the magnetic flux densities inside the material. So B equal to mu 0 H plus M. Mu 0 is the magnetic permeabilities of vacuum H upon M. So generally this is the magnetic flux densities we use of the mu 0 H plus M. This is the H is the magnetic field intensities and M, capital M is the magnetization. B is the magnetic flux densities and mu 0 is the permeability of the free space. So generally permeability two types, mu is equal to mu 0 and mu r. So mu 0 is the free space permeability and mu r is the relative permeability, right? Permeability units dimensions, mu equal to B upon H. So in case B magnetic flux density and H magnetic field intensities, in case magnetic susceptibilities, vacuum susceptibilities unit dimensional less is generally used of this symbol. So it also used to emphasize that the quantities is per unit volume. And so mass susceptibility and molar susceptibilities are also used. Susceptibility is a better quantities compared to permeability to get a feel and physical picture of the type of magnetism. In case of susceptibility, is actually a second order tensor and should be written. Energy of a moment, magnetic moments, so E equal to minus k m dot B, scale dot product. So this is the E equal to m dot B. So it is generally used of the magnetic anisotropy. In anisotropy means that various direction in the crystal are non-equivalent with the magnetization, and this implies that M may not be in the same direction of the applied field. So there are many contributions to this anisotropies as well as we have use of the crystalline. So crystalline is the magnetocrystallines anisotropies being the prominent ones. So in which case generally use of the M is the not same directions because magnetism anisotropy it will be used of the crystal, in which case same directions of the magnetizations. Next, this is the basics block diagram of atomic origin of magnetic moments. So this is the generally origin of magnetism. in which case spin of nucleus, orbit movement of electrons, spin of electrons. So this is generally used of the small effect of the magnetization. In which case this is the classical way of looking at quantum effect, that means due to electrons. So nucleus spin which is slow and has a small contribution to the overall magnetic effect. So generally is spin of electrons, orbital motions of electrons around the nucleus. So the magnetic moment due to spin is generally used in this origin. It is equal to the magnetic moment due to the orbital motion. In the first B and orbit is approximately expressed in terms of the Bohr's magnetons rules. So generally this is generally used of the spins of electrons and orbital motions of electrons and spins electrons. So generally is looking at a quantum effects. So MB is generally used of the Bohr's magnetron is equal to mu b equal to EH upon 4 pi m equal to this calculations of value 9.27 into 10 power minus 24 ampere per meter square. This is generally used of the this value. Understanding magnetism and formulating theories to understand the effects observed. Generally direct coupling, mediated interaction, super exchange. Super change generally we use of the three: direct coupling, mediated interaction and super exchange. So direct couplings movement we will work of the magnetization per unit volumes. So movement is generally used of the spin, orbital motions, nuclears, in which case we have used is the localization to an atom and the direct interaction with the movement in near boring atoms, right? And mediated interactions, movement magnetism arising from in interactions of the electrons, in which case generally band systems. So band we have used of the valence band and conduction band, in which case we have used of the mediations of interactions is the free electrons. And super exchange generally work for the local magnetism moment interactions with other local moment. The radiations of non-magnetic elements, super exchange and antiferromagnetics. So from magnetism of the fundamental component to magnetism of devices, this is a fundamental component of magnetism. Magnetism of atoms, magnetism of solid, magnetism of molecules and magnetism of hybrid. So generally use of the electrons and orbit, spin and nucleus. So this is the fundamental component of magnetism of devices. Okay. Other parameter to comprehend magnetisms in solids. So generally effect of external magnetic fields and effect of temperature. So in which case generally magnetic material we have used of the diamagnetic, ferromagnetic, paramagnetic materials. So generally effect of magnetic field in diamagnetics and Pauli paramagnetic is the effect of external magnetic field and do not arise independently from fundamental atomic entities. So effect of temperatures, in which case ferromagnetic materials can be paramagnetic, alignment of magnetic moment in a paramagnetic due to field is thermally assistant. This is the effect of temperatures and effect of external magnetic fields. Again magnetism. So all matter we work for this magnetisms Generally, material and arising out of band structures of metals such as Pauli spines magnetism, band ferromagnetism, and band antiferromagnetism. In which case, all matter with the diamagnetism and Curie paramagnetism. So generally we work of the ferromagnetisms and ferrimagnetism and antiferromagnetism material. We will be generally use of the interactions of atomic movement arising of atom magnetic movement permanently. So this is the generally magnetism we work of the purely of natures of material. Diamagnetism. This is a property of all material in response to an applied magnetic field, and hence there is no requirement for the atom to have net magnetic moment. This is a weak negative magnetic effect in slightly less than minus k 10 to power minus k 5, and hence may be masked by the presence of stronger effect like ferromagnetism even though it is still present. A simplified understanding of the diamagnetic effects in a more classical way. So it is the based on Lenz law applied at the atomic scale. Lenz law states that changes in magnetic field it will be the induce of current loops of the electrical conductor. So which will tend to opposes the applied magnetic field as the electron's velocity is a function of the energy of the electron state, the diamagnetic susceptibility is essentially independent of temperature. A diamagnetic tends to exclude, in which case we have a line of forces from the materials. So generally a simplified understanding of the diamagnetic materials is generally effect of the in Lenz's law. A superconductor, this is the generally superconductor under under some conditions is a perfect diamagnetic and it excludes all magnetic line of forces. And closed cell electronics configuration lead to a net zero magnetic moment. Spin and orbit moment are or oriented to cancel out each other. The monoatomic noble gases helium, nickel, Ar, Kr, so and diamagnetic is a polyatomic gases S2, N2 and so on, in which case the formation of the molecules lead to the closed electron cell configuration. Thus make these gases diamagnetic money ionic bond such as NaCl, MgO and so on. The covalently bonded C diamond Ge, Si, this is the Ge the germanium and Si the silicon. Material also lead to closed cell configurations, thus making diamagnetic as the predominant, in which case magnetic effect. Most organic compound involving other type of bonds as well as the diamagnetics. So diamagnetic generally we have the magnetic field in which case no requirement for the atom to have net magnetic moment. Next. This is the block diagram of M1 and M2, a flow of electrons per unit volume. This is the E1, E2, V2 and V1. So this area will be flow of the electrons and this area flow of the electrons, in which case upper is the M1 magnetism M1 and lower is the M2. So the simplified understanding of diamagnetic based on Lenz law. So this is the purely electrons pair in the some orbital moment with a velocity v cancel each other magnetic moment and hence in which case effect of increasing magnetic fields. So magnetic moment M1 increases and M2 will be decreases, so that the net magnetic moment opposite the field of B. So in which case generally two magnetic materials, paramagnetic and diamagnetic, will bulk of the magnetization and electrical field intensity. Magnetic field intensity. So magnetic field intensities we curve apply of the M and H. Magnetism and magnetic field intensities plot for the diamagnetic substance, right? This is the paramagnetism. So paramagnetism, there are two distinct types of paramagnetism that arising when the atom molecules has a net magnetic moment that come from band structure, purely spin or weak spin paramagnetic. If the net magnetic moment with the atom and molecules do not cancel out them, if the material is paramagnetic, oxygen and so on. Electrons in the atoms, most of the moment cancel out, leaving a resultant of the few boards magnetics. In which case, when a field is applied, two factors come into the picture. First is the aligning force of the magnetic field and disordering tendings of temperature. So this is the combination effect of two factors is the only partially alignments of the magnetic moment is possible, and the susceptibility of paramagnetic material has a small value. So this small value will be oxygen has to 1.36 into 10 to the minus 6 meter cube upon kg. Thank you watching this video.